Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 161. Let's see what the question says. Which of the following oxides is most acidic in nature? CaO, BaO, BeO, MgO. Now let's solve this. So we know by the fact that the trend for basic character increases when we go from BeO to BaO. What happens is that BaO is greater than CaO, which is greater than MgO, and which is further greater than BeO on the scale of basic character. So the most acidic should be BeO, and in fact, BeO is amphoteric oxide, while the other given oxides are basic. So our answer will be BeO. So C part is the correct answer.